Hello. In this video, we will talk about solving system using matrices. Okay. You can use a matrix to represent and solve a system of equations without writing the variables. So first, what do you mean by matrix? A matrix is a rectangular array of numbers. Okay, you usually display the array within brackets. The dimension of a matrix are the numbers of rows and columns in the array. Look at this matrix. Matrix A equals to 2, 4, 1, 6, 5, 3. So we have 3 columns and 2 rows. Matrix A has 2 rows and 3 columns and is 2 by 3. 2 by 3. So the dimension of this matrix is 2 by 3. You can write it as A or A 2 by 3. Okay? Each number in a matrix is a matrix element. You can identify a matrix element by its row and column numbers. So in a matrix A, the element A1, 2 is the element in the row, the first row and the second column. So the element A1, 2 is 4. Here is 4. Okay? Identify a matrix element. What's the element A2, 3 in a matrix A? The element A2, 3. So we go to the row, to the second row and to the third column. So A2, 3 is in row 2 and column 3. So it's 8. Okay? What's the element of A1, 3 in a matrix A? The element A1, 3, we go to the first row and the third column, which is 17. Okay? Now you can represent a system of equations efficiently with a matrix. Each matrix row represents an equation. The last matrix column shows the constant to the right of the equal signs. Each of other column shows the coefficient of one of the variables. Look at this system of equations. X plus 3y equals to 7 and 3x plus y equals to negative 8. So the coefficient of x shows the first column and the coefficient of y is the second column, and the constant are the right hand side of the system. Okay? So the matrix of this system is 1, 3, 3, 1, 7, negative 8. Okay. How can you represent the system of equations with a matrix 2x plus y equals to 9 with x minus 6y equals to negative 1? So the matrix is the coefficient of the first column is the coefficient of x, 2, 1, and the second column is the coefficient of y, 1, negative 6, and the third column or the constant column, sorry, not third one, third column, right hand side, which is 9, negative 1. Okay? And look at this system B. X minus 3y plus z equals to 6 and x plus 3z equals to 12, y equals to negative x plus 1. Okay, write each equation. Rewrite each equation in A x plus by plus cz equals to r 4. Okay, look at the coefficient of x, or the first row is 1, negative 3, 1 is 1, negative 3, 1, and the second row is 1, 0, y 0, because the coefficient of y in the second equation is 0. There is no y in the second equation, so the coefficient of y here is 0. And the last one, and the coefficient of z, sorry, is 3, and the last one is 12. Now look at equation 3. The coefficient, rewrite this equation as form ax plus by plus something, okay? Ax plus by, and rewrite the third equation in the standard form, okay? So the coefficient of y will be 5, so like this. Y equals negative x plus 1 will be, move it to the other side, will be 5x plus y equals to 1. So the coefficient of x is 5, the coefficient of y is 1, the coefficient of z is 0, and the last one is 1. So the last row will be 5, 5, 1, 0, and the constant is 1. Okay, that's enough in this video. Thank you so much.